this is the latest on the Nemesis construction. Today is the 23rd of July, and you can see that the loop is clearly in place now. And you turn around, so you're going to before you do the loop. That's all looking good. Lift hill is still white. I'm not sure if they're going to repaint that, to be honest. But everything is looking very, very good indeed. I'm actually loving this black and red track. I think it's going to be awesome. I just hope that it's rides as smooth as it used to, and it's as exhilarating as we found that first corner. So no, it looks awesome. Just took a bit closer in there. See,
we are
like
the
balance going to be put in there.
Delivering strength in control.
Anyway, more track there, and we shall see next time we're here in about 3 or 4 weeks' time how far they've come on. So, looking good for Alton Towers, looking good for Nemesis. Cannot wait for it to reopen next year.